I love Virginia. I'm from Tucson, Arizona. We're surrounded by mountains. Virginia is quite different than Arizona. First of all, it's a lot greener. My name is Jake Boos. I'm a junior at Patrick Henry College, and we are out hiking at Harpers Ferry. Harpers Ferry is very cool because it's a historical battle site. There's lots of interesting historical monuments down in the town, lots of great hikes in the mountains. The Shenandoah River flows right by it. So brother-sister wing events are a great way to build community with the men and the women on campus. And today we're out here hiking at Harpers Ferry. We went down to the river earlier. We took some pictures. I felt like it was a really great way to build the community between our two wings. If you come to Patrick Henry College, I would say getting outside is one of the most important things you can do. Just take a break, really. Go on a walk, go for a hike, go for a drive somewhere, go with friends, go on your own. It's something that you need to do, and it's really, really beautiful thing to do.